In his autobiography Total Recall, Arnold Schwarzenegger talks about his life growing up in Austria, dreaming of becoming Mr. Universe and arriving in America. Throughout his career, he's managed to fulfill his checklist of dreams, which included moving to California, becoming Mr. Olympia bodybuilder, making $1 million, becoming the #1 actor in the world, and getting elected for governor of California. But what is his secret to his success? When he was 5 years old, Arnold's dad would make him do 1 or 2 sets of push-ups each day to earn his right to eat breakfast or play with toys. It's a strategy that instilled the concept into Arnold that to get the reward you had to earn it through repetitions, simply called reps and sets. To get what you want, you practice one thing over and over until you get good at it. Arnold used this concept throughout his life to gain more muscles than anyone else. He decided to just do more repetitions, more practice than anyone else. To become a millionaire before 30, he went out and practiced real estate until he made his first million. To become a Hollywood star with his thick Austrian accent, he practiced with a speech coach 7 hours a day, as well as taking other coaching classes for the various roles he played. And he eventually became the highest paid actor for Terminator 2 at the time it came out. He just out-practiced everyone, out-hustled them by being a workhorse. And of course later in his life, Arnold used the same method of reps and sets in politics and learned everything there was to know about how to become the governor of California. There are no shortcuts, no quick schemes, no easy methods to get to where we want to go in life, people. Arnold is showing us that if we want to get good at something, then we simply have to do more hours of practice, more reps and sets. Of course, practice can be laborious, tedious and at times boring, but if we can inject some fun into it like Arnold did when he'd go to Gold's Gym and rewire his mind to love the burn when lifting weights, then we too can get excited each time we practice our craft as actors and instill that same feeling. Like Arnold, we too can reap the rewards further down the line. So here's to reps and sets and loving the burn.